Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to set up and use Gemini AI on DOOGEE Tab G6 Max. First of all, open the pre-installed Gemini application on your tablet. Then swipe down and tap Continue. Swipe down once again and tap Use Gemini. This will redirect you to the Gemini chat on your screen, and here basically we can start chatting with our assistant, ask it any question like about the weather, for example, and wait for the response. Okay, we can also press and hold the power key in order to open up our assistant and start speaking to it, and then wait for the response from them. And if you want to enable the Hey Google feature, you're gonna have to open settings and search for Hey Google. Now you'll find Hey Google and Voice Match in Google Assistant menu. Enable this feature. Tap More, I agree, and I agree once again. Then tap Next, and now you can say Hey Google to start speaking with your voice assistant. Hey Google. And as you can see, it also opens up Gemini and we can start speaking right away. It will listen to us and it will remember what it asks of it, and it will give us a response. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.